Welcome to another episode of Eat, Smoke, Drink. Alright, today I am going to be doing a little bit of a repot, okay? What we've got is this Pachypodium Lamerei, okay? This motherfucker has two heads and a little nub, okay? So first I'm going to sort and remove all of the stones, okay? So it's actually just starting on winter here, but I realized that the conditions of my cactus room is actually very, very warm. And this here has grown very well in the last summer. I got it actually just a few months into spring, and so I didn't have it for very long, but it's grown very well already. And what I've realized is that I actually used the wrong soil for this. Very, very dense. Well, more sand as opposed to grit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this opportunity to repot it. I've got about 60, maybe 70% mineral, my usual Osmocote, okay. And a special cacti potting mix from the infamous Coromandel cacti here in Auckland. He just has a very fine mix, very well draining, but very fine. And so I like to mix that through with mineral. So it doesn't look like it's much mineral, but it's mostly mineral. His soil is actually very kind of fine and sandy, so it's made to be cut into mineral. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out, okay? And then I'm going to upgrade the pot into this to set it up for the next 2 or 3 years. I don't want to fuck with it until then. So first I'm going to put some stones in the bottom, just to weigh down the mesh, also for extreme drainage, okay? And then let me